Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 3 and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, let's open up our file manager app, which is right here. And from there you want to choose where your files are located. So I believe all my files are located on the phone. So let's choose phone storage. And now key thing to keep in mind: photos, videos, screenshots, anything like that captured with the device will be located under the DCIM folder. So right here, I have screenshot, my albums, camera. As you can see, there's multiple ones. Not much in there, but still that's basically where it's located for me. And same will be for you. Then downloads folder will have anything that you have downloaded. So that could be any kind of music files, as you can see right here, pictures, videos, whatever it is that you have downloaded anywhere from either your browser, email, stuff like that will be located in here. Then you have additional folders like music, movies, podcasts, pictures. Those usually will contain stuff that you have placed there yourself, so primarily they should be probably empty if you have not done anything like that before. So from here, what you want to do is find what it is that you want to move, which I'm going to use some photos. So let's see, there's one item. Screenshot has 16, so there's a good amount to transfer. So once you find that, you can either select the files itself. So if you have a folder full of them, you don't actually have to, you can select each one individually, like so, by just holding the first one. You hold it, the phone vibrates and gives you this check mark, and you can then tap on additional ones to add them on. If you want to select them all, you have the select all button, or you can also go back, select the entire screenshots folder, and this will also include everything that is inside. So choose whichever way you want it. Once you have selected everything that you want, you will have two options: either copy or move. Again, choose whichever option suits you. Move will completely remove them from where they are right now and move it to a new location. So if we're moving them from the phone to an SD card, if you remove the SD card, the files will be completely gone. They will stay on that SD card that is no longer in the device. While copy will just create additional set of it. So you will have then duplicates. So I'm gonna go with move. That gives you this pop-up, so you can move it back to the phone or to an SD card. Now I want to move it away from the phone, so let's go to the SD card. And then you want to navigate into a folder. If you want to specific place, you can go to DCIM to keep it organized, or you can create your own folder back in here, or you can just drop it right in the middle of the SD card. It doesn't really matter. You can place it whatever you want. I'm gonna keep it organized, so let's go to DCIM, move here, and that's it. Now we're back in the phone storage, and that's why you see two folders instead of one. But previously there was also the screenshots folder, which is now completely gone. And to see it, we will need to go back to the SD card now, DCIM, and you can see there is the screenshots and all of its content. So that is how you would move, copy files from one location to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.